Unit conversion. For distance, from kilometer to hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, the forward step is multiplication by 10 and the backward step is dividing by 10. Application: perform the following conversions. From kilometer to meter, you have to multiply by 10 3 times, or we say that multiply by 10 power 3 or multiply by 1000. So we obtain 2000 meters. From meters to kilometers, we divide by 10 power 3 or divide by 1000 and move the point backwards, the decimal point backwards by 3 digits, so obtain 0.3 kilometers. And you have 20,000 centimeters to kilometers, you divide by 10 power 5, so check it here, step 1 2 3 4 and 5. So dividing by 10 power 5 or dividing by 100,000, we move it backwards by 5 digits, so obtain 0.2 kilometers. Now the unit conversion for time is we have the following units of time: week, day, hours, minutes, seconds. So 1 week is 7 days, that's why you multiply by 7, and 1 day is 24 hours, that's why we multiply by 24. And an hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, so multiply by 60. From hours to minutes, then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, that's why to convert from minutes to seconds we have to multiply by 60. And going backwards, for sure we have to divide instead of multiplying. So application 3, perform the following conversions. We have hours to minutes, so from hours to minutes we have to multiply by 60 and get 120 minutes. And from hours to seconds we have to multiply by 60 twice, so we can say 60 times 60 is 3600 instead of multiplying by 62 times. So times 3600, this is a rule and you have to memorize it. We get 18,000 seconds, and from seconds to hours we have to divide by 3600, so we get 6 hours.